What? But the world, it's not a plan. Watch you are going carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come to represent, you don't know a full effective. You don't know where it go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Gaza Nation, and want to hear a story. Watch me. Coming from Ochi, I feel thirsty. So I order 2/4 Johnny Walker whiskey. And me alone I drive, and me dead lonely, and me look smart if I keep my company. Me I drive, me I listen some world bossy. I look Rihanna with some Beyonce. When me make the first turn pan Firm Gully, me looking at the road, me see a nice lady, a pretty, looks alone, raise up me Charlie, me say, hello miss, I sexy chick, what you doing on the road? Hours like this. She said my car broke down. I couldn't fix it. I left it with a friend in our local district. Are you going to town? Can you give me a lift? Oh my, I really would appreciate it. Me say jump in on my car, jump in on my Civics. Meanwhile, me I drive, me I fling 2 lyrics. When me take a stop, the girl draw down my zip. Have my thing like a mic. She a DJ upon it. Have my big cannonballs, I play a table. What? You know the general inform, you know. Lollipop thing. Watch what going on in the Gaza Nation. More know if them feel like Vybz Kartel name and Vybz Kartel brand and Gaza Nation is a fucking a way how you get through your everyday activity, or is a way for set you straight in a life. And that more know in a come on if the whole of Gaza Nation and Vybz Kartel brand is a scapegoat for all of these people. First thing, Alkaline come out thief the man style. Him not pay no homage and people still want to compare and not get bright. You see what I deal with? Angie Owens thief the man style, win the election with the Clark's business and promise say when time him win, him go look into the man thing. I do a massacre. Right now them not deal up to today day because the two of them are fight and cuss over Vybz Kartel style. You see what I say? Right, and now Mr. Valls come and think him can just take up the man's style and use the man's style and I'm look a girl pass. You know, 10-star not really laugh with it, you know. I not deal with lollipop thing, you know. I not deal with fake thing, you know. I don't rate the general, you know. So I don't want to go like so I can come running on the man thing and use the man thing and people kick. No. Not a bumbo. You have to take that somewhere else. You know make 10-star hear that. I not skin up my fucking teeth for that. You know what I mean? You know all of them shit that you never come out, come say nothing at all to the press, nor to the people them. But you want to use it for put on other people. And you want to trace girl, so you want to use it. Let me tell you something now. Find something else and chat about. There's when I deal with most of the artists. We're running from the general style. And I go all like say, you don't want pay and respect and homage. True man, burn out most of honor. You don't look a stupid argument now. Because when you see Vybz Kartel and Buju Banton album drop, I mean you see the sales went crazy upon it. Una there they lip up on more. Let me tell you something, you know. And you know all una there they lip up on the mouth and still can't stop none out of them 2 album there. Forget the Grammy if them for win the Grammy. Una go like una supporters of album. Una supporters of album all me here. When since una support albums. Una support dancehall and una support stage show. Una come chat like una supporters of no album. When since una support album, then show man the material evidence then no. I just 4,000 copies. A 4,000 I think coffee sell, you know. And still win the Grammy, you know. So I don't know what I talk about, you know. I don't want to go like say, you know, have a big bunch of wicked bag of salesmanship and them thing there and Grammy shattered and all them something. And them thing they win the Grammy, you know, you. Because I never say none of the reggae artists them, nor dancehall artists them who win the Grammy before and a gold them album sell or platinum. So I don't know want to come out and a use up on a beat, but just a lip up. You know what I mean? And a skin teeth like you know achieve something. We want to say the downfall of vybz Kartel or Gaza that or Buju Banton album. It's that achievement too, you know? Because an artist who not rate up never do what them man they do. Him not drop album too. You not act like you not forgot that. Like say, him not drop no album. Come on, man. You know some bunch of lunatic, you know. You know what I mean? And some boy, you know, be a fake story, you know, sell people, you know. I don't have to come fake because I don't have nothing real about you, you know. You see what I deal with? You don't have nothing real about you know. Because all you know go on, you know. You not real, not true to dance all. You want to run behind some man like you know what I mean, like a skirt him wear. I saw you now go on. You know true fans of dancehall. What you think one man alone can push this? You know see how much youth the general give strength and push out. Because I know I know gimmicks just to set the genre and music to a different level. With a bunch of clown. Never bust nobody yet, never push out nobody yet. And now come and chat up in the more. You wanna know about nothing. Eh? Boy, I skin up them teeth because them see the first sale of the album them come out. I skin up them teeth off of the man them like normally una supporters of dancehall music or not supporters of dancehall album and reggae album. Show man the evidence them no man. Come on man. Cause Bob Marley thing still around iTunes for how much years now. And I can bet you and win you just most white people buy them shit eh. You know go like say you know spend no money on albums, on dancehall album. Show me which dancehall or reggae album win the Grammy we sell gold and sell diamond. You come chat up on the more. Shaggy them thing are the only thing we boss so big and Sean Paul thing them. And you know for them thing kind of mix up and a really hardcore dancehall. So I stop going like you know real gimmicks up. You know what I mean? I feel like you can violate Gaza Nation and think you know some form of gimmicks and jokes. Let me get 3441. Let me get that 50-50. 3806 1208 2553 5150. We get 1911. We get 616 dollar. Yeah, that's it. Gaza Nation, you know, so we do it, you know. I mean, once we get home, you know, and them shit, you know. We have a buy two number, nobody can stop that. You know what I say? How it feel? How you think it feel? For use $1 and win all $5,000. Lollipop thing, man. I don't tell you about nothing what I do, man. You see what I say? General, the 10-star one, you know when I represent. You know I load explosion each and every time when I drop necessary equipment. You know it's already, you know. The load up. Here, man. Drop necessary equipment. You know the whole of YouTube a loud explosion. Eh? General, the 10-star one. I'm showing you something Gaza Nation. Them I look like East Indian cousin. See the price? A East Indian cousin them. But you don't know uncle in the Korean store you come get Caribbean product. 10-star, you know, General. Oh.